Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about 10 names of kitchen utensils with spelling. Number 1. Teapot. T-E-A-P-O-T. Teapot. Number 2. Bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. Number 3. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Number 4. Apron. A-P-R-O-N. Apron. Number 5. Rolling pin. R-O-L-L-I-N-G-P-I-N. Rolling pin. Number 6. Grater. G-R-A-T-E-R. Grater. Number 7. Spatula. S-P-A-T-U-L-A. Spatula. Number 8. Knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. Number 8. Fork. F-O-R-K. Fork. Number 9. Pressure cooker. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E-C-O-O-K-E-R. Pressure cooker. Number 10. Kitchen shears. K-I-T-C-H-E-N-S-H-E-A-R-S. Kitchen shears. Thanks for watching. So I really hope you do enjoy this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.